Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers. I'm Yusuf. I welcome you all in my channel 5 Minutes Information. This is episode number 124, and in this episode I will talk about the Wi-Fi. Point number 1. What is Wi-Fi? Point number 2. What are the difference between the Wi-Fi and internet? Point number 3. What are the different types of Wi-Fi? And point number 4, what are the advantages and disadvantages of the Wi-Fi? Viewer guidance, you can get the notes of this video lecture mentioned on the link of this video description. Point number 1, what is Wi-Fi? Wi-Fi is a wireless network technology that uses radio wave to provide wireless high-speed internet access. Wi-Fi is a trademark phrase that refers to the IEEE 802.11x standards. And point number 2, what are the difference between the Wi-Fi and internet? Wi-Fi connects devices within a limit range such as home, offices, public place like coffee shop, library, university, college. The internet, on the other hand, connects devices around the world through a network of servers, routers, and other infrastructure. Point number 3. What are the 3 types of Wi-Fi? There are 3 common types of wireless network or Wi-Fi. Number 1, Personal Area Network PAN. Number 2, Metropolitan Network Area MAN. Number 3, Wide Area Network WAN. In any other episode, we will discuss these types of wireless network in details. Now come to the point number 4. What are the advantages and disadvantages of the Wi-Fi? Advantages of Wi-Fi. Number 1, easy to install. Number 2, more connectivity. Number 3, connect many devices. Number 1, easy to install. A Wi-Fi network is inexpensive, easy to install, expandable, offer low latency, better LMR, and excellent data rates. Point number 2, more connectivity. Wi-Fi is not specified for the specific connection or specific devices. So you can move more connectivity through the Wi-Fi. You can connect your smart TVs, LEDs, and as well as phone. And there is no space barrier due to Wi-Fi range. You can move 50 to 300 feet within your any other usage places. Point number 3, connect many devices. As Wi-Fi, you can connect many devices like smartphone, laptops, desktop, and tablets. You can connect with the same account at the same time. It provides more variety to the Wi-Fi users. Now, what are the disadvantages of Wi-Fi? There are 3 main disadvantages of Wi-Fi. Number 1, security. Number 2, coverage. Number 3, transmission speed. Security. Wireless network is considered more open and vulnerable to the hackers' attack. It can be issue of the security to hack your account. Number 2, coverage. Wireless coverage area is maybe to the limited range of connectivity. It's often offer more than 50 feet to the 300 feet. So due to this limited space connectivity, you can face sometime trouble to connect your devices. Number 3. Transmission speed. Transmission speed of the usually slow on Wi-Fi compared to the cable net. Here I conclude the episode number 124. Thanks for watching till the end. I will back soon with another informative episode. Stay connected with 5 Minutes Information Channel.